Hello, hi, I'm Lindsay Scott, co-founder of House of PMO.
And my name's Eileen Roden, the other co-founder of the House of PMO.
The House of PMO is a professional body for people that are working within PMOs. Not only is it about developing themselves, but it's also about meeting and developing others too. Can you remember when you first started working in PMO?
A long time ago.
What did you think about the development that was on for?
There wasn't anything for PMO.
No.
It was all for project management. And it was going away on a project management course and then trying to work out which bits I needed to do to be able to do my job.
So we wanted something practical. Today that you don't have to go on a project management course and then try and work out what you're supposed to do with it. So 20 years ago, when I first started working in PMO, the thing that I was really looking for was a training course that would actually help me understand what I was supposed to be doing on a day-to-day basis. So now fast forward 20 years and now with the House of PMO, one of the things that Eileen and I really wanted to do was to create the qualification that we were looking for. So here it is. This is the course that you really need when you're first starting out in the field of project management.
The top 3 things you're going to learn on the course are about projects, programs and portfolios, so learning that terminology. You're going to learn about the role of the PMO administrator, where that sits within a project organisation structure, and you're going to learn how to do some of the key activities that are expected of a PMO administrator.
There's no other course out there that gets into the detail of what you need to understand on a day-to-day basis in your role.
Probably the most well-known PMO course that's in the marketplace at the moment is the P3O course, which I know particularly well because I am the lead author of the Best Management Practice. It's really a kind of a method for establishing PMOs in an organisation. The Essentials for PMO Administrators looks at how you undertake your role within that context. So it's focused on individuals rather than the organisation or the structure that is a PMO.
If you're looking to kickstart your career working within a project environment, the Essentials of PMO Administrators is a great course. It not only gives you the knowledge around the project and program management, but also what you should be doing on a day-to-day basis.